Hi guys, magluluto ako ngayon ng buttered shrimp. So as of now, ito, nilagyan ko yung pan ng butter and a lot of garlic. So I'm trying to brown yung garlic para mas masarap siya. Yan, nag-brown na siya. At ito nga pala ang aking seafood. Yan. With lobster, niluto ko na siya muna. Yung aking shrimp. Fish, may konting ito. Crab, tsaka meron akong konting lobster. Pagsasamahin ko na yan, may shrimp. Dapat buttered shrimp lang, pero hindi na eh, buttered seafood. Yan ang ulam ko ngayon for tonight. This is my ulam. Haggard ang aking tsura kasi I've been at the doctor with my mom. Kasi meron siyang injection sa eye niya. So, pang work. Then, diretso sa doctor's appointment niya. Then, exit. It's almost 7:26. Almost 8 o'clock. Ito, nagluluto pa rin ako ng pagkain ko. Yan, brown na siya. So, I'm going to mix in na yung aking seafood. Yan siya. Yan. Lagyan ko lang muna siya ng pepper, garlic salt. Huwag masyadong madaming garlic salt kasi lalagyan ko pa siya ng oyster sauce and that is salty. So, yan. I mix some oyster sauce nga pala. Nutang kong kanina. And then, yan na siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng itlog. Yan, a lot of butter. Yan. Diba ang sarap? A little bit of soy sauce. More, a little bit. Ayoko na maalat. Yummy. That's my dinner. Sarap. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng cilantro. I'm going to garnish some cilantro. Yan. Yan na sa. That's it. That's my buttered shrimp recipe. Or, yan ang aking. So anyway, hope you like it guys. So don't forget to subscribe and like and make a comment sa aking nilutong buttered shrimp for tonight. That's for my dinner. And thank you for watching guys. Bye!